Let's turn the light. Oh, wow. Do you see that? That was awesome.
Wow. That is crazy.
Look at this. So we are here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are staying here at the Wynn Hotel. We booked a corner suite room here, which is 692 square feet. It's about the size of somebody's small apartment. And we do have access to also the Encore, which is attached to the Wynn here. It is off the Vegas Strip, so let's take a look at the bathrooms. So we have a full-size walk-in shower along with a waterfall soaking tub, a dual vanity set with a mirror, and also an inserted TV, and our wonderful little toilet, as Brad likes to show off.
Where the magic happens!
And then there's also 2 robes that they gave for us to use while we're staying here. And if you check this section out here, we have a special little nightlight. Where's the nightlight?
Probably turn lights off first.
Oh. So as usual, closet space is very important to me, and because we'll be here for multiple days, we have plenty of closet space along with more pillows and blankets, plenty of hangers, ironing board with an iron, and a safe.
And it already came with a bunch of crap.
So this is a really unique feature for the hanging for like dresses or suits.
Oh, in case you have something.
Yeah, if you're going out to a nice dinner, you're going to a show. Only in Las Vegas. Alright. We have an awesome king-size bed here with nightstands on each side, which all have drawers for plenty of space.
And they're mirrored, just in case, you know, it's one of those nights.
Party! So over here we have our amenities. Cheap out on this. You have everything from popcorn to cookies, nuts, candies, charger kits, revival kits, and intimacy kits. And then underneath here is our mini fridge, which is fully loaded, but don't take anything out for more than 30 seconds because you will get charged for it. Breakfast nook area and a desk along with. So the Wynn has provided us an Amazon Echo for our stay, along with the start guide instructions. Anytime command for us, say Alexa.
Good evening, Miss Wynn. I got your requested item with me.
Awesome. Thank you.
Your
Thank you
dental
so
kit
much.
and slippers.
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Is there anything else I missed you?
I think that's it.
Nice.
Thank
You
you.
have a
Thank you
great
so
night.
much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Have a great one.
First-
You requested those?
I did not request these, but we got toothpaste, a dental kit,
Nice.
and slippers, and it looks like it's a he and she, because
Very
these
nice.
ones are way bigger.
Yep.
But yeah,
That's cool.
thank you, Wynn.
Indeed. Wynn's doing it up.
Very cool feature here in our room is we have drape and shade options here. One controls one side, one controls the other side, and then this controls everything. So at night, when we want to close all the windows and shades, we can do so. However, this does not operate like the front door does. This only turns off all of the lights. It does not close your shades once you're in here. You'll have to go back to the front door. So if you want all off, you select that one, and everything starts to close up.
Good night.
Set the mood. And if you need service, service bell. If you want privacy, privacy.
So we're gonna go show you some of the rest of the hotel. Nicole's cleaning up her mess.
Yeah, for lunch.
We had lunch. We signed up for something kind of cool.
That I've never done it before.
I've had experience with it in the past in a different capacity. But Nicole, this will be her first time. And we'll see if she freaks out or not. On the lower level, you have the casino that has everything from the sports book all the way to roulette or blackjack.
And on my favorite level here is the entrance to the pool, which has 3 bars and a topless pool area. And just around the corner here is the gym, which has 15 total Woodway treadmills, which are some of the best I've ever seen in any hotel gym. And just beyond the gym is the spa and the salon. Alright, so we're here at NutriDrip and we are getting some IV drips done today, and Lucy's going to tell you a little bit more about IV drips.
Okay, so we have 10 different IVs that we offer here in our lounge. Depending on what your goals are, we have some hydration drips. Our most popular is the Mega Recovery and the Pre-Game Drip. Difference here is the Mega Recovery comes with a dose of glutathione at the end, which is a master antioxidant produced in your liver. This will help with the detox if you've been drinking, maybe having some nachos on the strip and you just want to feel a little bit better. On the pre-game, we do max out your B vitamins here, so you get a nice, really progressive flow of energy without the jitters. It's actually one of our favorite drips so far. And we also have a few wellness drips, like the Nutri Cleanse, which is really good, vitamin-packed IV as well.
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Of course.
Yes, we'll take 2.
Great, great.
That's so awesome. Hi there. What you doing?
Waiting on you
Waiting on me for what?
for this fun experience that we're about to go through.
Here we go. What's your excitement level?
Like, I'm really nervously excited because I don't like needles.
I absolutely love getting an IV. So this should be a fun experience for me.
Are you gonna scream like you did when you got off the Bronco?
Maybe. Woo! Hey, if you haven't seen that Bronco video,
Yeah.
check that out.
Totally check it out.
Okay, so she's gonna go first.
You wanna go first? Okay.
Having anxieties here. And for all you viewers out there that might be turned off by this,
don't watch this.
here's
yet,
your
I
warning.
guess.
Keep a fist for me, and keep a fist, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can relax.
Oh my god.
You're such a titty.
No worries, you're all done, okay? Beautiful. You can lift up. All done, no more poking. Worst part is over.
I can still feel it.
Oh.
You guys are too funny.
I don't do blood drives.
No.
No, I should.
But what
do
makes
blood
people
drives.
feel better is that, you know, the needle doesn't stand. It's just a catheter. So you can literally bend your arm, move it around.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that.
No?
I feel like the camera should still be pointing at you.
Right?
The drama is definitely all over there.
You're like, I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna sit still.
No
You
complications.
did good though. The hardest part's over. No more poking. How do you pump your fist for me? You guys both did amazing. Now let's see who's gonna win the race.
I think I'll win the race.
You think? I don't know, maybe she will. She started before you.
She's hauling though.
She's hauling.
Yeah.
You feel okay?
It's drippy.
It is a drippy.
Okay.
Hey, how's everything feeling?
Not having fun. What does the no face mean?
Just.
You ready to rip it out?
No, I'm not gonna rip it out.
Well, I didn't mean you. Are you ready for them to take it out?
I know, I'll wait till
Alright guys, the race is on. Who's gonna finish theirs first?
This year's 14 years. Oh my goodness, congratulations.
Thank you.
So exciting. Love that.
So as you can see, for once, Brad is winning.
Yeah.
I missed that last little part.
No, that's okay. We'll get yours.
Okay, you ready?
Go right ahead.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Not that bad.
Free wax, right?
That's right.
All done.
That was actually really, really good. That's all the blood that we saw, and it's still in the catheter.
Yes.
You must do this a little bit.
Yeah, we do like 80 a day. So.
There you go.
We're kind of. I can definitely do it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hold
I used to do it like once a week because I was a little addicted.
Right.
It just feels so good.
Yes, I was trying to tell her when we were coming in. It's just ridiculous how good it feels. Your body feels good. You feel like you have energy.
Yes.
It's
And it's
crazy.
like an internal feeling, right? It's not like, you know, you drink an energy drink and you feel like that heart palpitations or just like uncomfortable.
Right.
It's like an internal, you just feel so well from within.
Somebody's just a weenie. It didn't hurt at all.
It pinched.
Oh, gosh.
Awesome. Any questions, guys?
No, it was excellent.
Awesome, you guys did great. Good job
Thank
soaking it
you.
up. My pleasure.
From coffee and pastries to fine dining, the Wynn has you covered with more than 20 options to eat.
A lot of fluid.
It is a lot of fluid. You can be peeing like a racehorse. 75 to dead. That's,
75 to dead?
yeah.
I
That's your
don't
bladder
think
size.
there's like 75-year-olds who are peeing that much.
75-year-olds, if you're out there, let us know.
Honestly, what's the age you start wearing Depends?
It depends.
That's a real shitty joke.
You see what she did there?
I did. I went that far, but no, but seriously.
Shitty.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up.
Click and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you really enjoyed this video, make sure that you share it with all of your friends.